Do you ever wish your phone could adjust itself while you are heading home so everything feels just right the moment you walk in? Your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can actually do that with a built-in routine. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, then tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover. Under Useful on the Go section, select Heading Home. Here, you will see the preloaded setting for this routine. In the If section, tap Time Period. As the example, set it from 30 past 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays. Then tap Done. In the Then section, you will see two preloaded options. Brightness is set to 50% and change lock screen shortcut returns to the app you previously set. In the When Routine End section, both options are set to return to their previous status. At the bottom, you can tap Edit to add or remove option, Share to send it to others, or Save to keep this routine in your list. And that's it. Now your Galaxy S25 Ultra will automatically adjust brightness and lock screen shortcut when you are on the way home and switch them back when you arrive. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.